Samoan, it's what I'm saying. If I can't find a rock, then my bed was what I'm playing. Got too many souls and other G's laying. Stabbed with a knife, murdering like they can. I can't sleep at night. My neighbor did me wrong, I'ma drink some alcohol, my anger's strong. Ding ding dong dong, the night was long. I wake up in the morning, but something's wrong. Pops creeping in my house and they smack me down. I got blood on my hands, on my body they found. They throw me in a van and they whack me up. I'm going to Jesus now, I can't drink this cup. I'm just too young to go. Somebody set me free, I gotta serve many years for my killing spree. I used to be nobody, I ain't heard of ya. Now they all know me, they call me murderer.
Take a minute to think before you swing. Take a minute to think before you shoot. Take a minute to think before you throw. Take a minute to think before you kill. Take a minute to think before you swing. Take a minute to think before you shoot. Take a minute to think before you throw. Take a minute to think before you kill.
So le sami wo fo le langi misi e pe a lo le kangi lo I makamalini pe a kaya le sabili e uso po se koa e mo ingi ile panga ale kile sa wangi ke pa a oso pe pa solo pa a bakule o kele kuma o ki pa a mo I ko pa lo silo via malo pasio ki kanga male pa I pa le ai pa a pe fe na yo ma ku solea o afer e fa ai ku wa le belu ma ai ngake pa alai ngake ko e sai o I pu nga le a e o ai mau ese mai a be ese lo wo langa uso I mau le ko ese.
Take a minute to think before you swing. Take a minute to think before you shoot. Take a minute to think before you throw. Take a minute to think before you kill. Take a minute to think before you swing. Take a minute to think before you shoot. Take a minute to think before you throw. Take a minute to think before you kill. Alcohol and booty call. What makes a man stand tall through it all? What makes a man hold his inner peace? Have the knowledge, the courage to face whatever. How many more souls have to die before they realize, before they understand? We gotta make a stand for us all. Now let me take you for a stroll down the criminal lane. It's insane. A drunk man killed his 4 kids and then his own wife. Before reaching for the knife and took his own life. Think twice, it ain't nice. Look into my eyes. Can you see the pain to watch a loved one pass by? Tell me, can you feel the pain? Rest in peace to the innocent lives of family. She'll never have to go through the misery. Never know what she had until it's gone. Hold on, be strong, stay strong.